Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live proof of the Bitcoin that I've earned from Satoshi coin mining app. Okay, so I'll click on my mining factory. So as you can see on this page, these are the Bitcoin that I've earned. These are the Bitcoin that I've earned. Let me show you. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, so all these are the Bitcoin that I've earned, and in order to claim it, what I will simply need to do is I'll click on each of the BTCs. Okay, you see I am claiming them one after the other. So this is a live screen of the BTC that I've earned, that is real Bitcoin. Okay, all these that I've just claimed are shown in page 1. Take a look at here. This is first page out of 74 pages. Okay, so what I need to do now is to click on the next page, okay, to see if I still have any other Bitcoin to claim. So I click on next. Okay, as you can see I have two on this page, so I'll claim the first one by tapping on it, claim the second one. Okay, I move over to the third page. I don't have anything here. I cross over. Okay, I still have here. Wow, I have earned Bitcoin here as well. So this is real. Whoever that is deceiving you, telling you that you cannot earn Bitcoin at all from a Satoshi coin mining app, that is false. Okay, now take a look at this. This is the value of the the BTC that I've earned. Okay, this is it. Hope you can see it on the screen. So as I am claiming, you watch. This is it. As I'm claiming, you watch. You see the value adding up. Okay, the value should be adding up automatically. You see it has added. I'll move over to page 7, page 8. Okay, I have something here. Let me check. Wow, I still have here. So this is how to claim your BTC, your Bitcoin. Okay, I'm in page 11 now, page 12, 13. Wow, I have one in page 14, sorry, 13. Okay, I still have one here in page 14. So as you can see, it is real. Okay, it is real. You can actually earn Bitcoin from Satoshi coin mining app. Okay, and if you want to earn this, you simply share your referral links. Okay, you share referral links to your friends. Okay, you get them registered, you get them sign up, you teach them how to mine. Once they begin to mine, you get Bitcoin for each of the active miners. Okay, so as you can see, the Bitcoins I claimed were given to me by the miners that I recruited. Okay, so if you want to earn Bitcoin, you recruit as many miners as possible as you can. Okay, now take a look at this and see the number of miners I have recruited directly. I've recruited 734 miners. Okay, here in my level 2 I have 530, but these are the ones I recruited directly. Okay, these ones I recruited directly, totally they recruit a total number of 530. Okay, so if you want to actually earn Bitcoin, you simply refer. You can use any social media, you can use your WhatsApp, you can use your Facebook, you can use your Instagram. Okay, so this is it. This is the total Bitcoin that I've earned. So earning Bitcoin from coin mining app is real. Now if you want to check to know the value of the Bitcoin that I've earned now, I'll click on me. This is it. I'll click on this icon. Okay, when I click on it, I'll click on BTC. Sorry, let me go back. I'll click on BTC. This is BTC. Then let me tap on it. Okay, now this is the total value of Bitcoin that I've earned. This is it. I have a total worth of $22. Okay, so this is real. All right, this is real, guys. So do your best. You invite as many miners as you can, okay, to mine using your referral link. All right, and if you want to copy your referral link, you come to recruit miners. This is recruit miners. You come here, you click on it, then you click on copy URL, and that is all. This is it. You click here to copy your URL. Okay, then you go to your social media and you share your links so that you get people registered to earn more Bitcoin. Okay, so thank you for being with me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on my channel you get notified.